Welcome to the new episode of Technology and Electronics News. I'm your host, Pavel Yankovich, bringing you the latest updates from the world of technology and R&D. Let's explore together. Let's start with the coverage of Electronica 2024, the world's largest electronics show, which has truly lived up to its reputation this year. Over 3,600 exhibitors filled all 18 halls in Munich, showcasing innovations across sectors like semiconductors, EMS, IoT, AI, and automotive technologies. Notable national pavilions, including those from the Netherlands, China, and Estonia, highlighted global advancements. On the product side, there were plenty of eye-catching announcements. Longsys revealed its latest industrial and automotive storage solutions, while Telecom introduced its compact, multi-band 5G RedCap wireless module. Melexis debuted a micro-power Hall switch targeting automotive applications, and Chromerix demonstrated flexible thermal gap filler. Siemens CDA unveiled AI-driven design tools update. Renesas displayed an impressive 8-in-1 electric vehicle power axle, reflecting the industry's push for integrated EV solutions. Arduino introduced a single-pair Ethernet adapter for its Uno R4, expanding connectivity options for makers. And ADI presented deterministic Ethernet switches design for industrial environments. Industry leaders also used the event to voice concerns over fragmented supply chains driven by nationalist policies, warning that this could undermine global semiconductor cooperation. A critical topic as the tech world suffers directly from geopolitical challenges. Overall, Electronica 2024 captured both cutting-edge tech and pressing industry issues, reinforcing why it remains a keystone event in the electronics calendar. ASML's CEO Christophe Fouquet announced expected annual sales growth of 8% to 14% over the next 5 years, driven by rising AI chip demand, projected to form 40% of the global market by 2030. Despite US-led restrictions limiting sales of advanced tools to China, ASML continues selling older DUV systems there. The company reaffirmed revenue targets up to 60 billion euros by 2030, calming investors' concerns after weaker Q3 results. Analysts welcomed this steady outlook, with ASML's shares rising over 6%. AMD plans to cut 4% of its workforce, around 1,000 jobs, to focus on AI chip development and compete with Nvidia, which is a weird explanation, right? While its data center unit, key to AI, saw revenue more than double, gaming sales fell by 69%. The company projects continued growth of data centers, outpacing overall revenue. AMD is ramping up production of its MI325X AI chip and increasing R&D investments, despite a 3% decline in stock this year after last year's AI-driven surge. This restructuring highlights AMD's focus on AI as a core growth area. Infineon Technologies expects muted performance for 2025, with demand remaining weak outside of AI markets. CEO Jochen Hannebeck cited delayed market recovery, prompting continued cost-cutting measures, including 1,400 jobs cuts and relocating another 1,400 positions to lower-cost regions. Revenue for 2023-24 fell 8% to 14.96 billion euro, which further declines expected this year and margins dropping to 15-20%. Despite challenges, Infineon aligns with industry peers like Intel facing similar headwinds. For the next quarter, it forecasts 3.2 billion euros in revenue and capital expenditures of 2.5 billion euros, while strategically focusing on AI as a growth area. The EU will invest 133 million euros in Dutch pilot facilities for photonic semiconductors. part of a 380 million euros effort under the CHIPS joint undertaking to strengthen Europe's semiconductor industry. As we all know, using light instead of electrons, photonic chips offer faster, more energy-efficient performance for data centers and cars. So the facilities led by Eindhoven and Twente universities with TNO will begin in 2025 with co-investment from industry partners. Nvidia and SoftBank are partnering to develop AI-powered telecom cell towers aimed at improving 5G networks. The initiative will boost network efficiency, reduce latency, and support applications like autonomous vehicles and smart cities. Combining Nvidia's AI expertise with SoftBank's telecom infrastructure, initial deployment will begin in Japan, reflecting a growing trend of AI-driven network optimization. SECO and Raspberry Pi have partnered to improve together industrial IoT solutions, combining SECO's IoT expertise with Raspberry Pi's platform. Key developments include a 10.1-inch HMI built on the Raspberry Pi Compute Module 5 for industrial applications and the integration of SECO's Clear IoT suite for Raspberry Pi OS for device management and AI. The collaboration also introduces Raspberry Pi Connect, enabling secure remote access to devices. This partnership aims to deliver scalable, efficient IoT solutions to industrial markets. TSMC will begin 2nm GAA wafer production in Q4 2025, as its Fab 20 and Fab 22 will start production, each with a 30,000 wafer monthly capacity. The N2 process offers a 15% density increase over N3E, boosting performance by 10–15%. At the same time, power cut is 25–30%. Microchip has launched the PolarFire FPGA Ethernet sensor bridge board to enhance real-time edge AI with Nvidia's Holoscan platform. The bridge streamlines data transfer from sensors to AI units, boosting performance in applications like medical imaging and industrial automation, leveraging PolarFire's low-power, high-performance capabilities. Those are the main updates we have for today. Thank you for joining us on Technology and Electronics News. See you in the next episode.